Hello you guys, I am in Target. I'm at the dollar spot and I know that they were putting out some new summer stuff, so I figured I'd bring you guys to see what they put out so far. The beach is my happy place. This is wall art and it's $3. I see that one. This one is just some tidal waves like that. Relax, unwind, and enjoy. It will look like that, and you get the anchor. And then I see some cute little sailboats like that. And where's the number? The DPCI number is right there for these, just in case you are looking for those. Up here I see some cute little starry lights garland, and it has 8 LED lights on these. So I see the flamingos. Here's some cute gold leaves. Those are pretty. Okay, let me move these around. There is some pineapples. Can't really see them. I can tell that's the top of them though. Look at that. Let's see. Look at that. Those are the pineapples. Those are really pretty. Hold on you guys, I gotta sneeze. Whew. Okay, and then I see these little drinks, little martini drinks. What are these? The little Easter Island type things right there. And I think that's it, yeah. The DPCI for those are right there. They still have a bunch of the other stuff that they used to have out. I'm just kind of going through seeing what's new for summer. I still see these squishies. These are $3 and they had all different kinds of fruit. Watermelon, pineapple, kiwi. Yeah, so that's that. Up here I see some garden stakes. You get 6 of them and they have words already written on them. So grow old with me, staying alive, don't stop believing. Oh, believing. I will survive. You grow, girl, and so fresh and so green. So those are what you get in that, and that is $3. And there's the number up there. And I think that is, oh no, then they got these back here. And so you get 6 of those. Kind of black and white. Next to it, I see some string lights. I like that. I like the way those look. These are $5. And that, more stakes, and then here's some more lights right here. I believe those have the same numbers, so you can choose these as well. And you get 8 lights on each string. Oh, look at these tiki vases. That is so cute. This is $3. So I see the orange one, which is a little tall. They do have them in green. The number is right there. And I also see them in brown. Over here is a little mini sign and it says Aloha. It does have a little cut on the top. I'm thinking you can stick something in there if you want, like on your desk. You can put like a card in there or something like that. I'm not sure, but these are $1 and there's the number. And so I see the Aloha. I see the Aloha Happy Hour in Paradise. This one with the gold. You got Tiki Time. This one. And a leaf. Oh wait, what is this one? And then I also see that one. Drink please. And then I also see this one that says Hello Summer. Sunny days. And this one, and these are insulated like cooler bags for $5. Let's see where the number is. And there's the number for these. Look at these are cute, but they're $3. I think, well, I was gonna say I thought these were like $1 before, but I guess, you know, it's the ceramic thing with the succulent in them. But these are $3 now, and the number's right there. So I see the pineapple. I see different ones. Look at that. That's cute. the bromeliad. You got this one that looks like that. And then you also have these down here in the front that look like that. Those are cute. I really like the pineapple. Here's some little textured cups. These are $1. That's the number for that. And I only see this like yellow orange and a regular orange. And these are, yeah, those are the garden planting grids. I saw those before. Gardening binder for $5. And they do also have that pattern as well. And here is a metal pegboard for $5. I like that. And that comes in that peach color and green. Okay, this banner is super cute. It is some tacos. Look at that. I think I should get this and put it in my house when we do Taco Tuesday. I like that. Oh my goodness. And it has the little tassels on it. This is $3. And there's your number right there for the garland. So I see tacos. I see this one with the burgers, hot dogs, and fries. And let's see, they're 72 inches. And then you have one with just pizza. I will put these back. And then they have this super cute one with the donuts and the ice creams. And then here's this one with popcorn. And they're all $3. And then also this one with some wine and cheese. And then it repeats back there. And they also have some string lights, which is one set and you get 8 lights. And this one has the tacos and the margaritas. Oh, I like that one. And this is $3. And there's your number for the lights right there. And then I also see these ice cream ones and the burgers and the fries. Pretty much the same as the banners. Burgers and fries and donuts and pizza. Those would be cute in a kid's room. Now what is this? A kickboard. Oh, for the kid to use in like the pool or something. This is $5. That's really cute. And over here they got some matching coin purses. How much are these? Gosh, I was hoping these were $1, but they are $3. So I see this one that looks like a pie, French fries, the donut, and the cute taco. And there's also a pizza. Okay, they are going crazy with the food theme, even though I love it. This is a mirror, a compact mirror. Super cute. This is $3 as well. There's your number for that. So I see a burger. Let's see if we can open that. Oh, so it's a mirror and a brush. Okay, so you got the, let me move it over. You got the burger, the donut, a pizza. Look at that, waffles. And I think that's it. Yeah, another pizza. How fun are those? Here's some cute train cases. Let's see, $5. And look at that print on that one. That is really pretty. I like that. It makes me think of succulents. I like those colors. And then I also see this one. So the pink one and the orange one is plain. And that's the number for those. They are also putting out little rackets and stuff for the kids right here. And these are $3. And then right here you got some picnic blankets for $5. Here's the number. Super cute picnic blankets. You got the watermelon. You have this one with the cute little leopard with the hearts on her. You have this one with the alligator. Look at that. Little zebras with like sunglasses. There's also a flamingo with the sun. And then it just repeats itself. Oh wait, did I see that one? Yeah, I saw that one. The alligator. But yeah, so that's what these are, and I'm not sure how big they are, but these are cute. And then here's this super cute sign, mermaid kisses and starfish wishes, and that's $3. And the number on those. I also see lake rules, wake up smiling, soak up the sun. So there's different little signs that they have. Here's one with an anchor. And yeah, they're all $3. And that is it for the signs. Oh wait, what is that? The beach is my happy place. But yeah, so everything else is kind of like the stuff that has already been here. So I'm gonna walk around and see if I see anything else in the store. I see these novelty lights. These are kind of cool. These are $20.99, and there's also a little toucan right there. I know I just did a video on all of this, but I came back to look at this chair because I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this chair. What did I say it was? $269. Oh, I love that. And that green pillow. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this serving tray. That's really pretty. I like the colors on that. And that is $9.99. Who's this by? Chrissy Teigen. I see the serving tray. She also has little bowls for $3.99. I mean $3.49. Sorry about that. And there's some bigger bowls down here for $9.99. But that print is really pretty. Serving bowl, mango wood, handcrafted in India. That is $39.99. Oh, and then she also has a mango wood mortar. Look at that. My son would love that. He keeps trying to smush stuff into one that we have at home, but this one is just really nice. I like that. And these are pretty. Look at that serving bowl. That's $24.99. These are aluminum for $24.99. It says do not use for microwave or oven. And this is the prettiest Lazy Susan I have seen in a long time, and it's $39.99, and it says the same thing, handcrafted in India, and it's Chrissy Teigen. But isn't that pretty? Look at that. I love that. Okay, so now I'm just walking around, just kind of looking around at stuff. I don't like to go over the same stuff that I recently showed in a video, so I'm just trying to make my way around and see what else is new. Maybe I didn't look at. This little section always catches my attention. Triangle wall shelf, $25.99. Love grows here. That pillow is adorable. I love that. Let me grab that. Okay, I really like that, but it is $16.99. Look at the fruits. That's cute. Then you have a neon rainbow novelty sign, or wall decor, and this is $36.99. The colors will look like that. Mermaid stuff, and that's about it over here. Pillow fort, and these are, goodness, they're $16.99. Definitely gotta wait for some stuff to go on sale, and I got the pink. I was scanning through the books because I always come and see if I want to pick up something for Pooh Bear. All you need is love. That's cute. And look at this, Fresh Princess, inspired by Will Smith from The Fresh Prince. So this book is like The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, but for a girl, I think. How cute is that? I really like that. It's $18.99. Okay, I'm back here in the Easter section. You know, clearance is already either 50% off or 30% off. I'm not gonna pick up anything for Easter, but look at the whole section. It's like already gone. This was cute though. $15, 50% off of those. And then these cute little eggs. But I didn't expect there to be really anything over here. There's a few eggs and stuff. But that's it. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Trending now. NYX. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here because I literally only came in here to check out the dollar spot, and I did see a few things that I showed you. So I'm gonna get out of here and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.